In this video, we show how to set up and use the new data list custom fields in AuctionWorx 3.6. Let's see this new custom field type. Go to Admin Control Panel, Auctions, Lot Custom Field, then click Create Lot Field. Select Multi-Column List from the Type dropdown and enter a name. The default value is optional. To use it, go to the Create Lot page and scroll to additional details. The field works like a tag box. Type something, press a comma, and it turns into a chip. Each chip has an X to remove it. After the lot is successfully created, the same will be seen on the Edit Auction Lot page as well. As you can see, the highlighted features, a type of multi-column list, are displayed as a list on the Details page. Thank you for watching.